everyone. In Martin Luther's day, stained glass was a very common art form, and churches were especially known for their intricate glasswork. So today we're going to make a stained glass wall hanging. And you start out by, there's two pictures you're going to have to choose from. You can print them out, you can do one or you can do both. And then you're going to start off by coloring them in. The materials you'll need for this are crayons, a cotton ball, any type of oil, and just a paper towel to wipe away the excess oil. So start by coloring your picture or pictures in, and just make sure that when you're coloring very hard. You want the colors to show up very well. Okay, next we're going to soak a cotton ball in oil. And we're going to rub it along our picture until it looks translucent. So as you can see, it is becoming translucent. Okay. And then what you want to do is just with your paper towel, just rub off any excess oil. And then next we're going to take our picture and hang it up to dry. So here's our picture hanging up to dry, and once it's dry we're going to hang it in the window. And here is the stained glass picture against the window, and it's not a very sunny day, so it would look even better if the sun was shining through. But you get the idea, and I am looking forward to seeing everyone's beautiful pictures, whether it's this one or the other drawing, the other picture. Thank you, everyone. Take care.